If you're a new company with perhaps a 5-user computer system for handling email and filing, you're probably familiar with these costs. New server hardware, $2,000 to $4,000. Server software and licensing, $1,500. Setup and consulting fees, $2,000. That's a total capital expense of $5,000 to $7,500. And then, of course, come the endless upgrades and repair costs. Well, now you could send this heavy burden to the cloud. Let Duncan's Cumulus Cloud Computing manage your IT needs with our cutting-edge technology package for only $249 a month and a one-time setup fee of $249. It's a no-brainer. I'm Don Jones, Managing Director of Duncan's Cumulus, so give me a call for a free consultation. We'll show you how our technologically advanced cloud computing solution can give your new business a fighting chance in this tough economy.
Stand by for savings. Hello, my name is Todd Lyle, and it is my job to ensure your long-term satisfaction. So join us for a year, and I'll throw in the second month free. Some restrictions do apply, but as Don says, it's a classic no-brainer.